The Marley Boutique Hotel and Spa is a luxury boutique hotel located in the Camps Bay district of Cape Town, South Africa. The hotel was opened in 2014 and includes 81 rooms and suites, all with ocean or mountain views. The rooms and suites at the Marley are equipped with modern furnishings and high-end amenities. The hotel also offers a variety of services and amenities, including a restaurant, spa, pool gym, and private beach. The Marley is a great choice for travelers looking for a luxurious vacation experience in Cape Town. The hotel is highly rated for its location, design, and service.